Welcome back to AutoDriveverse, your daily pit stop for everything on four wheels. Today, we're diving into the bold, brawny, and electrified future of muscle, the 2026 Dodge Charger. Dodge is making waves by blending classic American muscle with modern innovation, and the result is a head-turner that's hard to ignore. This new Charger brings back a retro-modern fastback silhouette, wider stance, and aggressive styling that screams performance. What's even more exciting? It's available in both electric and gas-powered versions, giving every kind of driver something to be excited about. The muscle car isn't dying, it's evolving, and Dodge is leading that charge. So, is this still the beast we all grew up dreaming about? Let's break it down. Step inside the 2026 Charger and you're immediately hit with a mix of classic inspiration and cutting-edge tech. The cabin is driver-focused, starting with a sweeping 16-inch digital instrument cluster that flows right into a massive center infotainment display powered by Uconnect 6. The materials feel upscale, with real aluminum accents, contrast stitching, suede trim, and customizable ambient lighting throughout. Dodge clearly didn't hold back on making the interior feel as aggressive and premium as the exterior. You'll find a retro-inspired pistol grip shifter on select trims, customizable performance pages, and drive mode selectors that truly make the car your own. Whether you're commuting or carving corners, the interior feels like a high-tech muscle command center. Under the hood, or rather under the future-proof skin, the 2026 Charger gives you two seriously tempting options. For the purists, Dodge offers a twin-turbo Hurricane inline-6 engine producing up to 510 horsepower, replacing the iconic Hemi V8 with something leaner and cleaner, but still brutally fast. For those stepping into the electric future, the Charger Daytona EV comes with Dodge's new STLA large platform, cranking out up to 670 horsepower and delivering 0 to 60 times under 4 seconds. And yes, the EV has a simulated exhaust system that mimics the Hellcat's legendary roar, adding a whole new layer of drama. This Charger doesn't whisper into the future, it launches into it, screaming. On the road, the 2026 Charger delivers muscle with manners. The new chassis is stiffer and more balanced, providing improved handling whether you're blasting down highways or taking on tight corners. The electric version benefits from a lower center of gravity, giving it a more planted feel, while the gas-powered Hurricane variant delivers raw, linear acceleration with classic muscle car character. Adaptive suspension, Brembo brakes, and torque vectoring make it feel confident and composed under pressure. Despite its aggressive looks and power, the ride quality is surprisingly refined. It's not just about straight-line speed anymore. Dodge wants this Charger to conquer corners too, and it shows. So, what's our final take on the 2026 Dodge Charger? It's everything we hoped for and more. Dodge didn't just build a car, they built a bridge between generations. Whether you lean toward the throaty growl of turbocharged gas power or the silent, instant surge of electric torque, the new Charger delivers on every front. It respects its muscle car roots while fully embracing the future of performance and design. For fans of raw power, advanced tech, and bold styling, this might be the most exciting Charger ever. Thanks for tuning in to AutoDriveverse. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell us in the comments, are you Team Gas or Team EV? See you on the next ride.